Grant Cardone, one of the biggest guys that I've learned from sales training. You know, I thank Grant Cardone for teaching me sales. It's really taking me to the next level. Every single day you are marketing, every single day you are in sales. Why? Because the car that you drive, the clothes that you're wearing, you're marketing it. You're marketing it. But let me ask you this, did you guys ever get paid by that? Did your car ever pay you? Did that dealership of that brand ever pay you? Did that clothing wear that you're wearing right now, did that ever pay you? No. Never did, right? I will. I will. You rep me, I'm going to pay you. You promote me, I'm going to pay you. I'm going to do that. Because I like to provide that opportunity for you. I like that, right? Understand, you got to have flows of income. You can't just depend on one. Never get rid of the first income, which means Forex. Never get rid of it. That's the stepping stone to give you more sources, to give you that real estate, to get you the Airbnb, to get you that Instagram account, to get you flows of income through YouTube, through Instagram, you know, through ads, whatever it is, right? Partnership, consultant services, whatever it is, right? But that mainstream, don't ever get rid of it. I'm not talking about a job, get rid of that. Yeah. Don't stay there, don't stay there. I know, bro. I know, man. So, you know, thinking small can keep you very limited. It can keep you very limited. You know, I come from a family that was very just eager, they wanted, but they wanted what they can't afford, or they basically spent what they couldn't afford. And I'm talking about new Louis Vuittons, wasting their whole paycheck on that. New shoes, new clothing lines, whatever it is. Spending more than what they can afford. Don't be that person, right? When you get to that next level, hey, like I said, it's not bad to reward yourself, right? It's not bad. I didn't freaking buy a Rolex car when I made $100,000. I just got this damn thing freaking in October. And it's been, what, 17, it's been like a few years, right? But I knew that if I invested my money into the right things, into myself, that sooner or later I'll be able to get it. I could have got it, but I didn't. I played it a little bit smarter. But a lot of individuals, what they would do is, hey, dude, let me go get the latest car, let me go get the latest Rolex, let me get that jewelry, let me get blinged out, right? But in reality, they can't even afford it. Because what? They just wasted their money. They don't even know how to generate new income. It's the truth. I mean, how many of you guys know right now, to this day, you have friends, people that you know, they waste their whole paycheck on clothes, jewelry, and they're broke. And they live paycheck to paycheck. And they complain about it. They complain about it. Like, man, I have no money, man. Nah, man, I can't buy that. It's too much, man. Well, hey, you told me you can't buy it, but you have a freaking Louis Vuitton, red bottoms, or whatever, you know? Nah, man. You gotta stop thinking small. You know, I used to think that $1 million was a lot of money. Back in the day, I was like, dude, I need to make $1 million and I'm good. I'm gonna be set. I'm gonna live life. It's not enough. It's not enough. $1 million is not enough. I've seen it. It's not enough. I promise you, it's not enough. So you can just think about this. Think about this right now. Somebody that makes $20,000 a year, like how long is that going to take to make $1 million? Your whole life's gone. Your whole life's gone, man. You can just think about that. Like, that's crazy. Let that sink in, man. Let that sink in. So your first 6 figures is the hardest part of the game. After you make 6 figures, it gets easier. It gets easier. Why? Because now you're well known, you know, you're well connected, you have that income to start spreading it out to other things that you need, right? You have the people around you they can get your you know, your attention on. You have that help, you have these tools, you have me, you have my connections on top of whatever I know I can provide to you, right? Because you're here. This is why you're here, so you can get well connected with the right people. Now you learn about Airbnb. Now you learn about Instagram. Now you learn about other businesses that Braden's doing that you didn't know about. I mean, how many of you guys learned something new today and yesterday? Right? You guys didn't even know about it. Imagine if you would have stayed home, you would have never came. You would have never known. Exactly. Exactly. So it's one of the hardest things. Your first 6 figures is going to be the hardest. It's going to be the hardest. I guarantee you right now. You know, it just becomes easier, but people think too hard. You know, because you start from scratch. You know, compared to other things, like I said, you start from nothing. Like you're starting from zero. You're starting from nothing. No connections. Nothing. That's why it's very hard.